Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Samsung's next-generation foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks to newly revealed CAD-based renders from OnLeaks, we now have a clearer picture of what Samsung is bringing to the table this time. And trust me, there are some exciting upgrades. From a slimmer profile and larger displays to enhanced cameras and a new S Pen, there's a lot to unpack. So, let's get started. A slimmer and sleeker design. Samsung is taking things up a notch by making the Z Fold 7 even thinner than its predecessor. When unfolded, it's just 4.5 mm thick, and when closed, it measures around 9.5 mm or 9 mm without the camera bump. That's a noticeable reduction of 1.1 mm compared to the Z Fold 6 and 0.4 mm slimmer than the Z Fold 6 SE. While it's still not the thinnest foldable out there, competitors like the Oppo Find N5 at 4.2 mm and Honor Magic V3 at 4.4 mm hold that title. Samsung is closing the gap and making the Fold series more compact and portable than ever. Larger displays for a more immersive experience. This year, Samsung is stepping up the display game. The inner screen is expanding to a massive 8.2 inches, while the outer display is increasing to 6.5 inches. This marks the biggest inner screen size in any book-style foldable, surpassing the Oppo Find N5's 8.12-inch display. The front display is also getting 11 mm wider, making one-handed use much more practical for browsing, texting, and multitasking. S Pen support, a new approach. Rumors were swirling that Samsung might ditch the S Pen support to achieve a slimmer design or due to the rumored Z Fold 7 SE variant. But here's the good news, the S Pen is here to stay. However, there's a twist. Samsung might remove the digitizer from the display to save space, which means the new S Pen could come with a built-in battery to generate an electric field, similar to the Apple Pencil. Production for this stylus is rumored to begin in June, just in time for the expected July launch of the Z Fold 7. Stronger build and improved durability. Samsung is also focusing on making the Z Fold 7 more durable. According to Setsuna Digital, the device will come with a reinforced hinge and redesigned internal structure to make folding smoother and extend the phone's lifespan. Additionally, Samsung might be working on reducing the crease on the inner display, offering a seamless tablet-like experience. Camera upgrades, a 200-megapixel sensor? Now, this is where things get interesting. The biggest rumor surrounding the Z Fold 7 is the introduction of a 200-megapixels main sensor, a significant upgrade from the 50-megapixels sensor found on the Z Fold 6. If this turns out to be true, Samsung's foldable lineup could see a major leap in photography quality. If Samsung sticks to the same camera setup as last year, we can expect 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 12MP ultra-wide camera with a 120 degrees field of view, 10MP front-facing cover camera, 4MP under-display camera, if Samsung decides to keep it. Performance and hardware, Snapdragon 8 Elite Power. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same one expected in the Galaxy S25 series. This means better performance and power efficiency, improved heat management with a larger vapor chamber, seamless gaming and multitasking. Samsung is also likely to maintain 12 GB of RAM with storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB, battery and charging. What to expect? Details on the battery capacity are still under wraps, but given that the Z Fold 6 had a 4,400 mAh battery, we can expect a similar size or slight improvements. Faster charging? That remains uncertain, but with One UI 7.0, Samsung could introduce better battery optimization for extended usage. So, when will we see the Galaxy Z Fold 7? As always, Samsung is expected to unveil it in July, keeping in line with its annual release cycle. Production is rumored to begin in May, with the official announcement in early July and shipments starting in late July or early August. As for pricing, the Z Fold 7 is expected to start at $1,899, keeping it in the premium foldable category alongside competitors like the Oppo Find N5 and Honor Magic V3. So, are these upgrades enough to keep Samsung ahead in the foldable smartphone game? With a sleeker design, bigger displays, improved durability, and a potential 200 megapixels camera, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a serious contender in the market. But what do you think? Are these changes enough to convince you to upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Also, hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.